Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to retrieve deleted messages on the messenger. So if you have deleted your messages from the messenger and now you want to get back your messages, so here I have trick. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Facebook mobile application, log into your account, then you have to click on the three lines on the right top. Okay, now you are in your profile, so scroll up and on the bottom you will see a settings and the privacy option. Tap on it and from here you have to click on the settings. Once you will click on the settings, you are in your settings and the privacy. Scroll up and here you have to find the download your information option. So in the your information you will find it, download your information. So tap on the download your information. Now scroll up and you have to click on this select button. Once you will do it, now you have to click this messages button right like this. And once you will do it, now scroll up, go to the end and here you have to click on the create file. So once you will click on the create file, it will start processing and within the few minutes or in a day you will get a notification your file is ready. So you can download it on your mobile or on your PC and view your messages that you have deleted. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.